How to make a close friends highlights on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Make sure you have added close friends story before. Then click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, click on new. Then you'll find all your previous stories. Select the ones from the close friends. After you've selected the ones from the close friends, press on next at the top right. Then add your highlight name. Then press on done at the top right. You can edit the cover if you want. If not, press on done at the top right. After you press on done, highlight will be created. And these will be all your close friends. It's not available in my case. I've simply added other stories, but you will be able to add close friends highlights in this way. This is how to make a close friends highlights on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.